The Shadow and the Steak. In a bustling town filled with the smell of fresh bread and roasting corn lived a dog named Barius. Barius was a stray with a very loud stomach and a very keen nose. He spent his days wandering through the market, hoping for a lucky break or a dropped treat. Barius stopped in front of the butcher shop, where a man named Nikos was busy chopping. Nikos was a kind man, but he was very busy today. As he moved a tray of prime cuts, a thick, juicy steak accidentally slid off the counter and landed right at Barius's feet. Barius didn't wait for a second invitation. He lunged forward, caught the steak in his powerful jaws, and bolted away. He didn't want to share his prize with any other dogs. He ran past the fruit stalls and the flower carts, his heart thumping with excitement. Barius decided to head for the quiet woods on the other side of the river. He wanted to enjoy his feast in peace, far away from the noise of the town. Soon, he reached a narrow wooden bridge that stretched across a deep, clear stream. As Barius reached the center of the bridge, he happened to glance down. The sun was high in the sky, and the water below was as still and clear as a mirror. Barius stopped in his tracks, his eyes going wide with surprise. Below him, in the shimmering blue water, Barius saw another dog. This dog looked just as scruffy as he did, and he was also carrying a piece of meat. To Barius's greedy eyes, the meat the other dog held looked even bigger and juicier than his own. Barius began to feel a spark of jealousy. Why should that dog have such a magnificent steak, he thought. He didn't realize he was looking at his own reflection. He decided he wanted that meat too, and he was determined to take it. Barius let out a fierce growl to frighten the other dog. When the reflection growled back, Barius lost his temper. He opened his mouth wide to let out a loud, terrifying bark, hoping the other dog would drop the steak and run away. Splash! As soon as Barius opened his mouth, his own steak fell out and tumbled into the rushing river. It hit the water with a loud plop and sank quickly to the bottom, disappearing among the smooth river stones. Barius looked back at the water, but the other dog's steak was gone too. He realized then that he had been barking at a shadow. He walked off the bridge with an empty stomach, learning that by reaching for more than he needed, he had lost the wonderful thing he already had.